David Fuller and Duncan Hudson, Technology Innovation.
If that's the case, then if you take this path, which we can connect today.
Duncan Hudson and David Fuller are creating more uses for LabVIEW, the flagship product for Austin-based National Instruments. Their work is a big reason why LabVIEW is the most widely used graphical programming language in the world. They have ensured the same paradigm can be used for applications for kindergartners and rocket scientists.
This is the most work, next-gen runtime.
David and Duncan's leadership and vision are helping engineers and scientists design, prototype, and deploy their innovations more efficiently. Rather than taking time to map out their programs with lines of text, LabVIEW users connect icons and arrows to resemble a flowchart. David and Duncan designed the software to match the way programmers think.
Part of the magic of LabVIEW, I think, has always been that it fits usually the mental model of the engineer.
With David and Duncan leading the entire global research and development teams, LabVIEW became more versatile. Its graphical programming could be used for the deployment of software embedded onto chips, also for communications design.
We're really trying to create a language by computer scientists for non-computer scientists.
Their love for science started early. Like most boys, David enjoyed computer games, but not just playing them, also programming them.
By the time I actually entered college at Texas A&M, I had a pretty strong background in both the math, the logic, and a history of computer architectures.
As a boy, Duncan Hudson had dreams of winning a Nobel Prize for chemistry. But at UT Austin, he chose computers over chemicals. Duncan and David both wanted to use their programming expertise to make a difference in the world. That's why they came to National Instruments in '92 and '95.
The potential that I saw in LabVIEW, and actually what could already be done, was steps ahead of the cutting edge, I thought, research that I was doing at the university.
The software is used to develop medical innovations, create industrial robots, and even control the CERN Hadron Collider.
Seeing applications, some of them are just mind-boggling. Thought-controlled wheelchair invented at University of Illinois.
A car for the blind from Virginia Tech.
Yeah.
We're not the expert that knows how to measure carbon emissions in the rainforest, but we enable that guy. And it's their community and their IP that is truly making the world a better place, and we're just making that happen faster.
Duncan and David's teams have developed software add-ons, modules, and toolkits, so the software can be used by scientists and engineers in different disciplines working at more than 30,000 companies.
Both David and Duncan have very good technical skills. When you combine that with their ability to lead people, makes them very effective as leaders for our LabVIEW project.
David and Duncan also led the way as NI developed Lego robotics software for kindergarten through high school to train the next generation of LabVIEW users.
When LabVIEW and NI are positively impacting the education and career of every engineer and scientist on the planet, that would be, to me, the ultimate end goal. It's ridiculously audacious. That's what we're aimed at.